I like mechanical because I'm a very spatial person. So I love tangible things and objects, and I love problem solving. And I feel like that's exactly what mechanical engineering is. Systems completions engineering is basically the process to verify the technical integrity of a facility. Some of our domestic projects are platforms, so a lot of times we see platforms out in the Gulf of Mexico. And so what that means is that when you design a facility, someone has to check to make sure that it was installed correctly, to make sure that, when we do actually start up, it actually does work. If you discover a problem by the time you're at startup, and if you need a piece of equipment and that piece of equipment takes 6 months to ship it to the location, all those costs add up. A lot of the vessels that come out of the Gulf of Mexico, they could take, it could be like $500,000 a day to get a vessel. So the earlier you start to mitigate those problems or to find out where the problems are, the less it costs you to fix that problem. In mechanical engineering, we work with pumps and compressors and tanks. All of that requires, whether it's a stationary piece of equipment or a rotating piece of equipment, that all requires some sort of mechanical engineer to design the facility, to maintain the facility, and to install the facility. So there's just so much that you can do, especially within the petrochemical industry. My favorite class was the senior design class. The problem that we worked on was basically it was a fiber optic termination system. Our team actually worked on, what are some solutions on cleaning these fiber optics, and actually the company that we worked with built a prototype of one of our designs. That was actually so valuable. It was actually, instead of just a theoretical, let me just give you a question or a problem and have you just solve some problem. It was an actual problem that, a company actually had, and they brought it to UT, and we were able to work on it. It makes the students, or at least my team and I, feel like we're actually contributing to society and helping solve a real problem. I think I wouldn't do anything different. Mechanical engineering definitely is something that I have a passion for, and I would definitely encourage anyone to go into mechanical engineering. I'm Amy Yip, and I'm a mechanical engineer.